Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the thermite item. This is the lethal item. So what you need to do is click your loadout at the bottom of your screen. This is the lethal item or the lethal stuff. So click the middle one. If you can see, there are a lot of lethal item that you can use. That I want to show you is the thermite. Thermite is sticks to any surface of an object, and it can burn your enemies violently for a short period upon impact. So the enemy have to or must to make an impact or touch the thermite or through the thermite to burn them. So let's give it a try to the actual gameplay. This is the thermite. So I have to throw to burn the enemy. The enemy will burn. As you can see, the enemy is burning and kill them all. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.